Hey rock stars, it's me, Susan. We are here today to learn about making a Google form. So for those of you that are starting, Google Forms are amazing because they help us to invoice our customers. It's a way to kind of collect information about our customers but keep it very private so they don't have to post any of that information on Facebook. And it's a way for us to just keep their information only for our use to go ahead and contact them if needed. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to Google. You're going to click sign in and go into your LuLaRoe account. And there we are. We're officially in our LuLaRoe account. Once we get into LuLaRoe, we're going to go to the drive. And here is my OneDrive. So I have some information in here that I use for my OneDrive. And here is my actual Google form. So I'm going to open this up so you can kind of see what a Google form looks like and what fields that I used. Here are the Google form items that I put on my Google form, I should say. I did last name, first name. I kind of like to use this Facebook username because I've seen over my time with LuLaRoe in the past 6 months that some ladies use different Facebook names than they do first and last name. So email is always important for us. Shipping address being different from billing address, city, state, zip code. And then if you just want to collect some information, you're more than welcome to. You can use the same information that I used here. You can change it up. This one's for free shipping for the birthday club. So you can add that if you want to. And there's just additional questions, comments. So that is the form that I created. And you can use this exact form. You could just duplicate it, or you can change it up any way that you would want to. But I am going to go in here and show you actually how to create a form. So what you do is you go over here to New, go to More, and click on Google Forms. And once you do that, you are officially here on the backside creating a new Google Doc. So this is your title for your Google form. So you can put, mine says LuLaLadies, customer, if I can spell customer correctly, information page. We can just say that. And then here's where I put a little description saying that I will not share your information. I will not share your information. There, I think I put it nicely on my other page. And then here's where we actually go and create the question. So you can put full name if you want, or you can put first and last name. And this is where someone's going to actually type in. So you're going to make it a short answer so they can go ahead and type their name in there. And you can make it required by moving this over. And now it becomes a required question. You can duplicate this. That's a way to do it, to create another question. You can delete it. You can add a question and then start over with a multiple choice. And we can put address, or you can put maybe full address. It's up to you. You can separate it out and put, if you just want to put just address and then city and state on another line, you can. I kind of like the full address because for copying and paste purposes, but it's totally up to you. And you can make that a short answer. Again, you can just, if you don't like it and you want to change it, you can hit trash, you can hit duplicate, and we can put, since it's going to be a short answer, we can put city, duplicate, we can put state, and then we can put duplicate zip code if we want to. Totally up to you. You can do some multiple choice. So let's say if we want to do multiple choice, we want to say, are you interested in hearing about, and then we can put in home parties. Or we can add another and put the LLR opportunity. Wait, it's not allowing me to do that for some reason. Hold on. There we go. LLR opportunity. So consultants. So those are just some different things that you can put here. You can put free shipping. Anytime you want to delete, you can just delete it out right there, or you can trash out a question. Up top, let's say we want to add some difference. Instead of just doing the purple, you can go to the color palette and change out your colors up top. Or we can go right here and we can create and pick different options for what you want it to look like, your Google form. So I've seen a lot of sparklers, fireworks look. So this is us building our Google form, your new Google form. And if you ever want to preview it to see what your customers are going to see, you just click it right there. And there it is. You are officially making your Google form. It's pretty simple. Then, after you create your Google form, what will happen is everyone will be able to start using it and entering it. If you want to do it, you'll have to go down here and make it live, actually. We'll have to, we can send it to others. But then your Google form becomes live. So we're making a new Google form. So here's me making my new form and working with you all on it. When you actually start getting individuals to, I have 0 responses now, but this is where you would go to create your spreadsheet so that you can actually see it go into Excel form. Let me close out of there. So say you want to, this is the actual Lula Ladies customer service page. If you want to take it and use the link, that's where you go and grab all your links from. So now this becomes your Google form link to go ahead and copy, and you can paste it anywhere to become your new form that you use to grab your customer's information, to collect it, I should say. So if you have any questions about the Google form, please reach out to me. I will definitely be happy to help clarify it for you. And then you'll see when you start getting responses, you can move it right here into your response page. I would click on it, but it has a lot of my customers' personal information on it, so I don't want to release that out. But I hope that this was helpful. Like I said, if you have any questions or need clarification on how to make a Google form, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. All right, thanks, ladies. Rock it out. Bye.